Hey guys, what's going on? It's Twanked. Here today to give you guys an unboxing of some common supply drops. I just prestiged just a little bit ago, and I have 131 crypto keys. So let's see what we got. First one here. I see a gold flickering. Got the violet camo for the combat knife. Nice. I haven't tried the combat knife yet. I'm working on getting diamond for a couple other items here first before I go for the secondary. So, alright, let's try another one.
I want to see what it is as bad as you do.
See some flickering.
Huh?
Outrider
What happened?
Threatened Jester. We'll have to take a look at that.
Superstitious? Do what you gotta do.
Come on, legendary. Come on.
It's all yours.
Field camo. The contrast camo is kind of cool. It's just kind of bold. Let's go ahead and keep going here.
Feeling lucky? I win either way.
Oh, the sunshine camo is pretty legit. That sunshine camo, I think, is what gold camo should actually look like. It's got that, kind of, however you want to call it there, the kind of rainbow effect to the metal, and it's really nice. Then we got a quick draw variant for the MR6. Nice.
I got a good feeling about
9 more here. Inferno camo. A whole bunch of Inferno camo. Wow.
would sell to again. Superstitious? Do what you gotta do. We got any more pictures?
Not a whole lot right here.
Feeling about this.
See some colors flashing. More Inferno camo. Alright, got the Breakdancer calling card, which is kind of cool. Got 6 more here. Come on, give us some epic or legendary stuff here. There we go. Transgression camo, which is really, really nice, and I love the HBK, so that will definitely be going on a gun.
I got
5 more.
It's all yours.
Nothing much there.
Right. Let's go.
Ooh, the Storm camo.
Serious.
Nice. I don't know if anyone has seen that yet, but it's pretty much kind of like lightning going through the gun. I would show you, but I'm not level 34 since I just prestiged. So I will definitely post a video of that when I get back to that level.
Open it up. No.
Gunman calling card. I don't know why, but I love the calling cards. So
I want to see what it is as bad as you do.
I guess another
You sure you
violet camo for the Man of War. Last one. Here we go. Give us another legendary in here. Yeah.
You want
Intensity camo for the KN-44. We can take a look at that real quick. Wow, that is bright. And does that pulse? It looks like that pulses. I have to take a look at that into a game real quick. Alright, just trying this out just so we can see if that camo actually pulses. I haven't gotten that camo yet before, so I'm not really too sure what it looks like, but in the little preview there, it looks like the yellow pulsed on the gun, so let's see if it actually does that.
Team deathmatch.
It definitely does. That is kind of crazy looking. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, well that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please put a like. And until the next time, this is Twanked. I will see you all later.
With these upgrades, you never stood a chance.